Hey guys, this is your girl Y'all coming at you with another video. If you like what you're seeing right now on the screen, keep on watching to the end of this video as I'm bringing everything in full detail. Let's go start our video today. I'm so excited because this come out so good, you guys. Let's jump in right now. Okay, as mentioned above, just make sure you have clean and blowout hair. What we need for this look: 5 packs of Cuban twists in color 27, 30, and 613. We need a crochet needle, we need some jam shine, we need some gel, and healthy fingers. All right, so you guys, before we go any further, don't forget to do this for me, please. Go ahead and click on the red button below that says subscribe or bien abone. So you go ahead and do that for me right now as we continue the video. This video is in full detail. If you reach even the middle of the video, we even have a surprise for you where we detail everything from A through Z of how we actually made the look. So you guys go ahead and keep on watching. I'm gonna let you view and focus, okay? And I'm coming back with some more detail on this video. All right. Alright, you guys, I decided to braid the hair completely before I actually, start the lock on the client's hair for the second half going up. So to me, it's easier that way because I feel like, I was wasting more time just doing one braid and then one lock, one braid, one lock. So I basically go ahead and knead it out and braid first, then I start with the lock. So go ahead and keep on watching as everything look a little bit, it looks more organized. That's what I meant to say, that everything is already done, the braid's already done. If you need tutorial about how to actually do the braids, leave down the comment below and I'll be more than happy to create a video for you. Just make sure your braids are very neat and then so your lock could look flawless. All right, so go ahead and keep on watching. Like I said, watch the video till the end as I have full detail in the middle of the video. wanted to show you in detail how I create the faux loc. First, we loop in the crochet needle through the hair. Okay, we pull the weave through. Okay, so now we're gonna measure the length that we need, and then I have my index finger under the hair and the weave, and I have my thumb over the hair, the client's actual hair, so I can go ahead and start folding, and also to help keeping the pressure off the client's hair or edges. So you go ahead and continue watching. I fold, I fold, I fold until I get to the very end. Just make sure you don't let go your index finger and your thumb. Okay, also you can have the client hold the hair for you, just so you know they don't have to keep any pressure on their edges, especially if it's the front of the hair. Okay, because when you're folding, it has the intention of fold the whole thing with them. So you have to be very smart about that. So once I reach all the way to the end and I start creating these little knots all over, all the way until I get to the end, and I keep measuring just to make sure that I don't go over the length that I need. And once I reach all the way to the end, I go ahead and fold. I roll it in the palm of my hands to make sure that the lock is formed and assured. And then after that, once I'm done and I get the length that I need, I go ahead and get my scissors and cut the remaining, if there's any left. And so that's how I create my my faux loc. right, you guys, this is it. This is the final look. As always, I thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Let me know in the comment below if you liked it, if you know you would like to have something like that done. You can always contact me if you need my service. You can always, if you're making it on your own, you go ahead and send me a picture on my Instagram, which is YodKProBeauty. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Bye.